Hey guys, today we are in Audi Q3. Over here I have OBDeleven, which is already connected to the car, and I'm going to code a little feature that will disable my daytime running lights if the parking brake is engaged. So if you are in your car and if you want to turn off your daytime running lights, you don't need to browse through the car setup menus over here. You just need to apply your handbrake and your DRLs should turn off. So OBDeleven over here, already connected to the car. We are going to the list of all modules. Scroll down to module 09. Over here go to long coding, and you can either switch to the bit-byte view and look for the feature which is under address Byte 11 bit 0, and you need to enable it, or you can just use the descriptive list and enter DRL in the search bar, and there's a function called no DRL with handbrake. So let's activate it. Let's write new coding, and I believe right now daytime running lights should be off if the handbrake is engaged. So let's check it out. So right now handbrake is off and daytime running lights are on. And when I engage the parking brake, let's do it right now. And right now, daytime's running lights are off. Okay, so that's pretty much it. In the description below this video, you will find more details about this coding procedure. Give me a thumbs up if you like this simple tutorial and subscribe for future ones. See you soon.